Hi, we're WISER Systems. I'm Seth Hollar, CEO, and today we have one of our own engineers with us, Margaret Bachand, mechanical and manufacturing engineer. Margaret, today what are we talking about?
We are talking about the different form factors or the different types of tags you can get from WISER Systems. Before us, we have, first of all, we have several standard colors, gray, orange, red, and yellow. And each one will have a barcode that is laser etched and really, really hard to scratch.
Okay, so from a product point of view, any customer can order one of these four colors, and those are the standard colors.
Yes.
Along with having the the laser etched barcode that stays on permanently. But if they wanted to do a customized color in large batches, they could potentially do that as well, but that's not part of the standard colors. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Great. And then I see over here that you also have something going on here that's a little bit different than these tags. What are those?
These are socks. They're made out of silicone, and you can add these for the situation where you might want to give this tag to a person, and maybe they're a little fidgety and they accidentally might open it. This sock makes it more difficult to open.
And it also comes in different colors, right?
Right, so then you can also add different color selections this way.
Great. And again, what was the material that you used to make this?
It's silicone.
Oh, and then also talking about material, what are these plastic enclosures made out of?
They are polycarbonate.
Great. What else do you have in your bag of tricks over there, Margaret?
Okay, so if you have a high temperature situation and you just want a tag that you're going to use until the battery is used up, just a one-time use tag, then we have this option. It's fully encapsulated and the battery goes up to 80 degrees C.
Wow, look at that. So in the case, it's a one-use tag. It's an encapsulation method, and it's designed for going through high heat scenarios. And in this example, it might run through like a clothes dryer or something to that effect.
Right, both the washer and the dryer.
Or the dishwasher too, right?
Yes.
For sure. Um, and very robust, clearly. You can't fidget with this and open it up, right?
This one does not open.
So the difference between this and say this tag is this one is a one-time use, whereas this one you can actually open up, right? You have three tabs.
You can change the battery. You rarely need to change the battery, but you could change it.
Right. So you just have electronics inside, and then you have, I think it's a standard coin cell. What kind of coin cell battery is it?
2032.
So you can buy this at a grocery store, for example. Tags last 3 to 5 years typically, but in the case where you use it in a different way with a higher ping rate, or after 3 to 5 years, you can just open it and replace it, right?
Right.
Great.
And this battery goes up to 60 C.
Clearly, it can be used in a variety of scenarios and environments.
Yes.
What else do you have to show off there?
And one last form factor, we can attach a pigtail, and then you can plug it into your own battery source or your own power source.
So I do know we have some vendors that like the bare tag, but want to attach it to a different battery. Examples might be attaching it to an enclosure that's designed to be on a vehicle outdoors, and they want a much bigger battery for their own requirements, for example. But that kind of delves into the other side of it of, hey, these are enclosures that we provide, but we do have customers that are interested in designing their own enclosures too. Is that correct?
Yes. And using their own power source.
Great. What else do we have in your bag of tricks?
Okay, so we do a variety of tests on our tags, and we have an impact test that we do. It's where we simply take a ball and about 15 inches up, and then it's an impact test.
Are you going to drop it? How high up do you usually have it?
Usually about 14 to 15 inches so that we get it 2 joules. Try to drop it right in the middle.
And that is a solid steel ball, is that right?
Yes.
And how heavy is it?
I'm not sure how heavy it is.
I don't know, maybe a quarter of a pound? Half a pound?
I think it's about a pound.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so here goes.
Okay. I think the camera rattled there.
You can.
Is it still in one piece?
It's still in one piece.
It's great.
And then we also have an O-ring in the tag enclosure so that we can submerge it.
And it's IP67, is that right?
67, which means you can submerge it for a temporarily submerge it in about a meter of water.
We don't quite have a meter here, but we do have a meter of water somewhere else.
Yes.
Great. Well, those are all very exciting different things that we do and test for the tags and the different colors and options, but there probably are many other options that you might have questions about. So if you do, please feel free to go on to our website, fill out a form, send us an email, or give us a call, and we'll happily have a conversation about what more you can do with the tags that we have.
We can work with you on any type of application you might have for these enclosures, and we're happy to also work with you for a bracket for these enclosures, and that will be one of the next videos coming up.
Great. Thank you so much, everyone. We'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.
Bye.